Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Software Testing, where you will learn in easy, simple way. So we are learning Zephyr, and this is our last video in our series. In this video, we are going to see how to study the reports and how to use traceability matrix. So let's get started. So in previous lecture we saw how to design the test case, how to write BDD test case, then how to plan and execution of each and every test case, how to search the particular test case. Now we'll see how to analyze the report in reporting section, how to analyze traceability matrix in our reporting section. So let's get started. Click on Zephyr Squad, then go to reporting and click on test summary. Something like this will get open. This is your test summary. How many test cases are there in your Zephyr? How many total are unexecuted? How many are executed? Like this, everything will come out. Then here by label, if you have given label while writing the test, that will be segregated by like this. Then we have labeled BDD feature, BDD scenario, and with no label. So these many cases are there. So if you go down, there will be test by versions. Now currently we have not given any version to our any test case, but if you have given any version here, it will come here. Under that, it will segregate your test cases based upon your version, then based upon your components. So if you go down below, then you will see two graphs: test creation graph and test execution graph. This is your 30 days cycle graph. So on which date you have created the test cases will be, you can see here, and even on which date test cases are executed, everything will be shown here. If you click on test metrics, some metrics and graphs will be generated, auto generated here. It will be based on your test execution. So first graph is daily test execution progress. How many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed on daily basis, it will shown here. Then second graph is test execution by test cycles. If you have V1, V2, whatever test cycles you have created, test execution progress will be how much test execution progress will be achieved, that will be, you can analyze from here. Then test execution by testers. Whoever testers are logged in Zephyr Squad and you have assigned any cycles to any member of your Zephyr Squad, then that person's graph will come here. Currently here AxelBuzz Tech Solution is only one tester, so it is showing like this. Then next graph is execution by date. Each and every date's productivity will be counted here. And next is execution list. That is your in each and every test cycles, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed, test ID, execution status, then who executed, on what date it has been executed, everything will come here. Our next tab is traceability matrix. If you click here, you will see traceability matrix here. So if you want to read the document, official document, then you can click on this question mark and you will be supposed to redirect to official document of traceability matrix. But what is traceability matrix? Traceability matrix is a document that details the technical requirement for given test scenarios and its current states. It helps the testing team to understand the level of testing that is done for a given product. Now there are two reports type you can take out. First is forward traceability and next is backward traceability. So what is forward traceability? Forward traceability. This matrix is used to check whether the project processes in the desired direction and for the right product. It makes sure that each requirement is applied to the product and that each requirement is tested thoroughly. It maps requirement to the test cases. So what is happening here is we have collected one requirement login feature and then we have linked that, or Zephyr, you can say Zephyr has linked that with our 3 test cases. So if you have opened this requirement 87, this is our login requirement and 3 test cases are associated with that. And then if you open that, then you will see execution and defect if any. So like this it will be in forward manner. So that's why it is forward traceability matrix. So let's see now backward traceability matrix. Let's understand what is backward traceability matrix. It is also called as reverse traceability matrix and it is used to ensure that whether the current product remains in the stable state or right track. The purpose of behind this traceability is to verify that we are not expanding our scope of the project by adding code or design elements, test or other works that is not necessary or not specified in our requirements. So let's select backward traceability matrix here and this is our backward traceability matrix format. First of all, your execution will be linked your test and finally it will go and link your requirements so that you will understand that you are not increasing the scope of your test or you are not adding any extra codes and work here. You can filter out, depends upon your story, your task, your epics, and then you can check out your traceability matrix accordingly. So you can always export this traceability matrix in your Excel sheet. And for today, this was our last video of Zephyr. If you have any queries, please comment down us, or if you have any requirements, please comment down us. We will surely try to resolve that. And for this video, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed. We post videos on every Tuesday and Friday, so please stay tuned with us and happy testing. Bye bye.